It's a new 2019 Ford Super Duty F-250 single rear wheel. You always give a little extra effort. It's what separates you from everyone else. You deserve a truck that matches that philosophy, and you've found it right here. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, app link, manual telescoping steering column, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.